So today I'm going to break down the P0340 code. That's Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Bank 1 or single sensor. What that means is the engine computer isn't getting the right signal from the camshaft position sensor on bank 1 or the only cam sensor if your car only has one. The camshaft position sensor's job is to tell the computer where the camshaft is as it spins. This info helps the engine control timing for fuel injection and ignition. When the computer sees a problem in this signal, like no signal, erratic signal, or a short, it throws the P0340 code. Now, if you have a V6 or V8 engine, bank 1 is always the side with cylinder number 1 on it. So that's the bank this code is talking about. For 4-cylinder engines, you typically just have one bank. One important thing to know, some vehicles require a relearn procedure after replacing the camshaft or crankshaft position sensor. This is basically the computer relearning the new sensor's position. Not all vehicles need this, but some do. You might find this info in the repair manual or through a scan tool function. Sometimes it's as simple as driving the car for a bit for the computer to adapt. So, what causes this code? First, a faulty camshaft position sensor itself is the most common cause. Sensors just wear out or fail. Next, wiring problems like damaged wires, bad connectors, or corrosion can interrupt the signal. These sensors usually have 3 wires: power, usually 5 volts, ground, and signal. You'll want to check the wiring harness carefully. Also, don't overlook fuses. If the fuse that powers the cam sensor circuit blows, the sensor won't get power and will cause this code. Timing issues are another possibility, like a stretched timing chain or worn timing belt. If the camshaft and crankshaft aren't synchronized properly, the sensor signal won't match what the computer expects, which throws the code. Usually, if timing's off, you'll see other codes too, so keep an eye out. To diagnose, start by checking the sensor wiring and connectors. Then test the sensor's power, ground, and output signal with a multimeter or scan tool. Check related fuses, inspect timing components if you suspect mechanical wear, and if all else fails, replace the sensor. After replacement, if your vehicle requires it, perform the relearn procedure so the computer syncs correctly with the new sensor. That's the rundown on the P0340. Usually it's a bad sensor or wiring issue, but timing and fuses can also cause it. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and if you have questions or tips, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.